core research is around the topic of advanced manufacturing. So what I do here is to develop, and I really like that, to develop the next generation manufacturing processes that will save us money, that will save us time, and it will be more environmental friendly in the next 10 years to come. My early age, I really wanted to be an engineer. Obviously in engineering you can dive into, and I remember I really matured the manufacturing processing idea after my final year master project. So I hope that one day one of the technology that I'm currently developing in my lab, we're really gonna go out there and be accessible to a vast number of people around the world so they can really make use of it. And I also hope to be able to address the main current problems of manufacturing that is linked, for example, to the emission of toxic gases in the environment. More than 40% is associated to the manufacturing industry in the world. So we need to address that. And I'm set to be able to contribute to this in my own little field. And I hope to make a great impact within the next 10 to 20 years, I suppose. It is effectively a long-term shot.